Guys, today I will teach you how to upload your PDF file to Canva. Now let's get started. Let's go to your Canva account, and then from your dashboard, this is the dashboard of Canva or your home page of Canva, and then you will see this is the these are the some of the settings that you can see on the left side, and at the right side you will see create a design, then custom size, and upload. This is the one we are interested in, upload. Click that upload button, and then from there you will see drop your files here or browse. Now you are going to click that browse, and then it will direct you to your computer. Now I save my file in my external hard drive, so this is my external hard drive. So click that file and then open. Now it will automatically upload. Under designs, this is the design that we are uploading, PDF file. Now click that design. Okay, so there you go, the design is already uploaded in Canva. So guys, if this tutorial is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye for now.